Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of SQL Guide. Suppose you have a select statement to query a data from one or more table to see the data, and you save this query in a local drive or a server. Next time if you want to get the same result set, you run the same query from local drive. But this is not a correct, right? SQL Server provide a better way to save this query in the database catalog through a view. What is SQL Server view? A view is a virtual table whose content are defined by a query. Like a table, a view consists set of named column. The row and a column of data come from table reference in the query. Type of view. Type of SQL Server view. Indexed view. An index view is a view that has been materialized. Partition view. A partition view join horizontally partition data from a set of member table across one or more server. System view. System view expose catalog metadata. Syntax of SQL Server view. Create, alter view name with view attribute, encryption, schema binding, view metadata. Edge select statement with check option. Select clause in a view definition cannot include the following: an order by clause, the into keyword, the option clause, a reference to a temporary table or a table variable. Schema banding. When view is created with schema banding option, the base table cannot be modified. View created with schema banding clause cannot be dropped table unless the view dropped or changed. Encryption. With encryption, prevent the view from being published as a part of a SQL Server replication. If the view created with encryption, you cannot see the view definition, alter the view. The check option only apply to update made through the view. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss SQL Server interesting video. Let's connect with SQL Server Management Studio to show you how to create view. So this is SQL statement and SQL query to fetch the data from human resources employee table, person and person table. So this SQL statement I am going to change into the view. So I am going to create a view name, hire date underscore view edge. Now run this. You can see view created on Database Adventure Work 2019. To see the view, go to Database Adventure Work 2019 under View Catalog, expand it, you can see that this view created. If next time if you want to see the data, you no need to run this SQL statement. Just you have to run select start from view name and run it, and you can select the data. Next, I am going to create a view with encryption. So create a view name, and you have to add here with encryption. So this view will be created as with encryption option. If you create a view with encryption, you cannot see the view definition, and it's you can see here view created with encryption. So other view you can see the definition, but this higher date underscore view, you can see here some lock sign is there. So you cannot view the definition. Let's try to see the definition and put here view name and run this, you will receive error. The text or object higher date view is encrypted. So if you create a view with encryption, no one can see the view definition. Next, I am going to show you how to create a view with schema binding. So you have to add here, create a view name with schema binding and SQL statement. Let's create a view with schema binding. You can see the view created with schema binding. So it means that the base table of the view higher date view human resources dot imply percent dot a person, no one can modify the table, no one can drop the table. So if you want to modify the table imply and a person, you have to first drop this view. Then only you can modify the base table of a view, higher date view, which created with. Next, create a view with a check option. If you want to create a view with a check option, you can apply the check option at last with check option. Okay, run it. You can see view created with check. So I have supplier table, supply 1, supply 2, supply 3 and supply 4. So I am going to combine all the supplier table into one view. So you can see here all supply 1, supply 2, supply 3 and supply 4 table I am combining using union all, and I am going to create a view for all the supplier table. Let's create it. You can see that I have created view combining all the supplier table.